Alright, Pants, you're gonna take your potty lessons.
Okay, let's go.
Here's your
I have my
rubber
toilet
ducky.
paper and everything. What? What?
I'm skimming toilet! Real quick. I need to be more stigma.
I don't want to go poop. I don't want to.
Go in there.
Oh.
Come here, little boy. Ah! In my mouth. No, no. Oh, it's so long. Ah, I can't swallow.
2, 3, 4. There's a zombie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Animal Company instead of Heat. It's my friend named Pants back there. Our friend Tiger's gonna join us soon. Can you shut up?
I was the first in the lobby. Don't ever say some stupid shit like that again. I'm done.
Yes. So we have to get to the zombie area, guys.
Guys, just zoom past so zombies don't spawn.
There's a zombie on your lawn.
They should AC should low-key make like a Plant vs Zombies game mode. Or like where you could buy plants.
You guys see that?
I know your type, big brown.
I know your BBC is super large. I want to bounce all over that BBC.
So we're gonna go explore the sewers where we explored the carnival. And you guys might have explored the carnival.
Nothing. I'm coming. Wait, guys, it changed.
I remember last time we were here.
Mr. Clown, what are you doing just standing there?
Nope. Wait, I need camera shot. Run! Run! Wait, I need the thumbnail. Woo!
Help me!
Yo. Yeah,
I'm stuck!
No, we missed! No, we can't stay. Yo, get out! Oh,
Guys!
What the fuck?
Oh, this is what you were talking about.
Yeah.
This shit easy.
This shit up, dude. This shit easy, guy. Oh, fuck, there's that. What? 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 Guys, where are you?
So I kind of fell.
Yeah, but where are you?
So I wasn't hit by the drum roll thingy. I just fell.
Come to the carnival.
Put it in, Aldo. I want to play.
Hold on to this.
Go. That's so good. She on a roll. She brought my dick like a cock.
Okay, Aldo, I'm ready. Wait, get the hoverboard! Hoverboard! Up!
Tidy, look like stupid.
Up! Down. Up!
It's right there.
Now, bring me towards the hoverboard.
Tidy, you look so stupid.
Oh, down! Get me the hoverboard! Ow! I'm gonna have trauma! Oh, no, stop! I'm gonna die!
Let me do it.
Dude, the labels on my screen are different.
Go again.
Ready? What are the rewards this time? Give me the thing in the middle, right there. Bring me to that.
Dip, Captain Guatemala shield, they bent to get it. You
Give me. Bring me! No, wrong play!
What the fuck?
They bent to get the Captain Guatemala shield, they took it.
No!
God damn it, how you grab it?
Grab me. Grab me.
He's back. What the fuck?
I can't get up.
Shit, give me the shield. It's right there, Apex. What the fuck?
Hey, Pat! Let me out! Let me out!
It's a race against the zombies! I'm coming! I'm coming! Zombies are coming!
We're about to go in there and Apex is the one with the claw. Watch, I'm gonna guess it. What the f? He's gonna be in the claw, watch. Oh.
Hey,
Alright,
let's get in the
Let
club!
me go in there. Let me go in there.
Yeah, let me play real quick. Cause I'm actually good, unlike you guys.
Get that gay.
Here you go, Apex. Screaming time.
RPG!
Daddy, give me.
Shut.
Don't leave me.
Hey, let's grab the RPG!
I get it.
He has it.
Up to the revolver.
Wait, do you think we can kill the clown?
Grab the revolver!
I got it.
Yes. Now
Okay,
you
I'm
gotta
gonna bring
drop.
you all the way up. Wait, you have to drop it?
Yeah, he has to drop it in here.
Drop the RPG first.
Oh, I got it.
Yes! That's on the fucking go! Oh, you can only have one. Oh, wait, what? Never mind. Okay, boys, come on.
Let's go fight the ghost.
Eat.
She like Bond.
Eat. She like Bond. You already know this. Put your girl on fleek. I'm like, okay, I like cool. I can do that, boo.
You guys can give me copyright.
Jimmy Choo. No, also, you can't get copyrighted if someone sings it.
Yeah, but if you sing it long
That's
enough.
why YouTube.
If you sing it long enough, I did. He's not dead! No! Apex! Apex! No! I can still clutch it.
Wait, real quick.
Teacher.
Let's go teach this guy a lesson, eh, pants?
There's land in my name.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come on you?
It's gonna look so stupid.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come on you? Bad boys. Bad boys. What
Wait,
you
no,
gonna do?
before we go in, can you say to the camera?
What?
Come to me. Alright, say it, no, start singing.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come on you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? Come on, bro.
Sad boys, sad boys. Sad boys, sad boys.
Apex, am I beautiful?
Fuck! Let me sing my song, dude. Ready?
Apex, come to the store. Come to the store.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Cause they come on you. Oh goon, oh goon. Let me goon. Cause I just got busted on and it doesn't feel nice.
Is that Bam Bam?
It is. I'm the fucking Shrek. I'm the fucking Shrek in here.
That's the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. My headset's gonna die. I'm ending it early.
Me too, bro. Me too.
Bye! Apex, say bye.
How do I get back?
So, lunch.